Thank you very much. This is my 37th Ultimate Runner. And tonight is a special night because a very dear friend of mine and a dear friend of the club passed away recently. He was known as Bubba, David Bubba Gelly, and I can be excitable at times. Bubba could make me seem like I'm on decaf. So we're going to pay special tribute. This is Runner's World, the 10th anniversary. Runner's World used to be the printed Bible of running, and we enticed Don Cardong, who won a medal in the Olympics in Canada, to come run the race. And Bubba, that's me, a lot of years and pounds ago. And by the way, where's Dan Bessie? These high-tech materials are not very flammable. If it doesn't burn, you'll understand. There we go. To Bubba!
Justin P. Thunder. His hobbies include inflicting pain and general shenanigans. Jordan Stamper, Francisco Morales, Thomas Lane, Anthony Cachera, former Mount Tabor runner, done this a bunch of times, Matthew Ayala.
On your mark!
And we're off in the 37th consecutive Ultimate Runner.
Sandy Wetherhold, the godfather of the Ultimate Runner. Sandy, I know heavy heart with Bubba and all that, but this is a great day for the Ultimate Runner, isn't it?
Weather-wise, it's terrific, but my heart is heavy for David Bubba Gelly, my best running buddy from North Carolina, who passed away. Appreciate you bringing that up, John.
No, I mean, and this is the 37th. Somehow you guys have sustained this thing through the years.
I got to tell you, when we started this 37 years ago, I never thought it'd last 3 or 4 years. That's the truth. No.
Right.
So, but it takes a team. Twin City Track Club is
Right.
out here supporting the event. It's just not one person. It is an entire team from the track club.
And the volunteers make it work, don't they?
Oh, they make it work. Without the volunteers, there's no such thing as a one-man band out here. And you can see me. I'm kind of on the sidelines just.
Well, and one more thing. Good luck to the Gators baseball team.
Tell you what, how about that? They're in Omaha. If not for the Ultimate Runner, I'd be in Omaha. But this is more important.
Sounds good. Thanks, Andy.